Hello everyone, I have a motherboard. This is a Dell model G33MO2. This is a socket 775 that support Intel Core dual core CPU processor. So here for memory DDR or two slot right here, and this one is 24 pin for the power. Here floppy ID or floppy header right here, and connect here a front panel, this one, then right here USB header 2.0, right here another the USB header, right here. So this is 1 2 3 USB header. Right here 2.0, here audio header, and right here BCI Express times 16 slot, PCX Express times 1 23 PCSX slot right here. This one is a battery socket right here for Sir IT connection right there. Here a clear Xeon jumper right there, clear password jumper right here. Well, right system 3 pin. This is for system fan head connector right there. This one is 4 pin for the another CPU pan, and north bridge and south bridge. This one is meron siyang laman na G33 chip set. Then there are audio chips right here. Then this one is Realtek. This is Intel LAN chips are there, and right there back this one is VG port, and right there is 4 USB connectors, and right there is a LAN port, right, the audio connectors, and right there the last one is 4 pin for the power.